Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to Hair Tutorials. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're not on my channel, you're so welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair and stretching, shrinkage hair. So you're going to use some stimulating herbal hair growth oil and some aloe and cucumber hair mist. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. So moisturizing actually will help to improve your hair growth and it will actually prevent, dryness and breakage, because hair which is mostly moisturized will actually be more moisturized and it less prone to breakage. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Yes. So of course, like our moisturizer, or rather our hair mist, has some aloe vera. So aloe vera will strengthen the hair and has active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has also fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play important role in healthy hair follicles and controls greasy hair. And aloe also has some enzymes that break down fats and will strip your hair of any extra oil or sebum, and will also help if you have itchy scalp like seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So research actually significantly shows that it decreases the scaliness and itchiness. So the cucumber is also loaded with many vitamins and moist, or rather it has 98% is water. So it really moisturize your hair and keep your hair, plumped, elasticity, and it will also prevent breakage because it's loaded with, water content. So you can use leave-in conditioner, but I prefer lighter weightless hair mist because I don't want to build up. If you belong on this channel, I'm in a protective hair challenge of 6 months where I'm doing a twist without any added hair. Actually, we are in the 6th month. So like I don't want to wash my hair quite often because I don't want any build up. So I use weightless, products so that we don't actually have build up. So friends, I did share on how you can make this hair mist which I'm using. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. It's so very informative and helpful. So I love lightweight, moisturizer. So moisture is secret to length, retention, and longer hair. So moisturizing hair is makes hair more elastic, like I said earlier on, and less prone to breakage and less prone to tangles. This means that moisture helps your hair, like it helps retain hair length. So as your hair slows, like shows, keeping your grows as your hair grows, actually keeping your hair moisturized will allow your hair to grow in length. So, and you have to make sure that you seal in the moisture with an oil. Of course, I'm using a stimulating herbal hair growth oil, which has rosemary, peppermint, clove, olive oil, quite a number of herbs which promote hair growth. So I also did a video on that. I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. And as you can see, I'm working in sections. So working in sections will really help so that you apply whatever product you're using to every hair strand. You won't be able to skip any hair strand. So now I'm applying it on the edges. As you may be aware, like our edges are very fragile. So make sure that you don't forget your edges as you moisturize your hair. So of course, if you don't want shrinkage, you don't need to moisturize. But of course, I do moisturize, after washing my hair. This is very important. But if you want to style your hair, that is, if you haven't washed it, putting moisturizing it will actually make it shrink. So like I'm avoiding shrinkage, as you can see, by braiding my hair. Yes, so at this point I'm done, friends. So now I'm just undoing those simple twists, and then I'll proceed to stretch my hair. So I stretch my hair without using heat. I've done quite a number of videos on how you can stretch your hair without using heat. So of course this is one of the technique which I use. So I'm going to use a flat twist. So friends, like no matter how healthy your hair is, though, always be some level of shrinkage, and that's completely fine. You don't have to be worried about shrinkage because it shows that your hair is growing, because our hair has curls, curls, like they seem to if they're not stretched, they look like shrinkage or shrunken. It doesn't show the length. It is actually very much okay, but I just prefer my hair to be stretched, so that when I style my hair, it's in a straight style to prevent breakage and tangles. So stretching can prevent fairy knots. Keeping your hair in a stretched state can often times prevent those dreaded fairy knots and single strands knots. These are formed by a single strand of hair getting tangled around itself and tying a knot that cannot be untangled. So the only possible way to get rid of them is cut them out, though it can be a catastrophic to your length retention goals. So stretching your hair regularly can keep the strands from working themselves into those little knots, and it will also reduce tangles. So in the same vein, regular stretching of your hair can prevent any type of knots and tangles by keeping the strands elongated. So natural hair tends to have a lot of shrinkage, meaning that due to the coils and bends in your hair, it draws tighter to the scalp. So when you pull your hair or straighten your hair, it stretches the texture to show its actual length. So stretching your hair means that you are styling your hair in a manner that will eliminate some of the shrinkage in your hair, thus eliminating a lot of tangles and knots. More importantly, stretched styles eliminate a lot of dryness with your texture, because you are able to smooth products into the cuticles of your hair from the roots to the end and allow it to set, not just plopping some products on top of your hair from and regularly all of the curls and curls underneath. So many naturals, of course not all, like neglect to undertake the importance of stretching hair texture and want to take an easy way more often, like wash and goes styles. So when it's time to apply any moisturizer, friends, like do everything in sections. So like as you can see, like these are simple twists, and I'm using my free hands. I'm not actually using a comb to make the partings neat, because this is just something I'll go with to base so that my hair can be stretched. I'm not worried about making it so perfect, because the goal that we want is for our hair to be stretched. So subscribe to our channel, friends. If you haven't, give this video a like and comment in the section below what techniques you use to stretch your hair, without direct heat. So like this is one of the methods that I use to stretch my hair without heat. So like friends, I don't use heat in my regimen. The only time I use heat is when I'm deep conditioning my hair. So now at this point, I'm done. Like just something simple, friends, as you can see. So that is how they look like. Yes, all I want is my hair to be stretched. You don't have to be worried about anything. Yes. So it's been actually 2 days. Life happens. We had a grief where we lost some youths from our church. Like they were drowned. Friends, like I was touched, like I couldn't do anything. I couldn't do anything to my hair because we were grieving as a church. So gotten our oil. I just want some lubrication. This is my preference. You don't have to do this, but I feel like it helps so that our hair is lubricated. So of course, one thing you have to note is that oil doesn't moisturize your hair. But there are special oils like coconut oil which penetrate the hair strand. So like this stimulating herbal hair growth oil that I'm using, it comprises of coconut oil, of course, which is so good. It penetrates the hair, and also some clove. So friends, like if you've been on this channel, I love clove very much, and I've done quite a number of videos on clove. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So like friends, I'm trying to grow my hair, and prayer has been one of my priority, because the Bible says without me, you are nothing. You cannot do anything, because God knows the number of your hair in your head, and we are so special, friends, more special than sparrows. So God is very concerned about every warfare in our lives. So comment in the section below, friends, if you do pray for your natural hair, because you know what the Bible says, that long hair is the crown of a woman. Yes, so I've applied more of the oil on top of my hair. And look at that, friends. Our hair is so stretched. Look at that. It's stretched naturally. Yes, so give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, friends. This will really help us, so that our channel can be recommended, or rather our video can be recommended by YouTube to a bigger audience. So in as much as, I love sharing, I want my channel at least to grow to 50 subscribers. So I'm super, super excited, friends. Yes. So at this point, I'm getting a comb. I just want like to comb the base so that we could avoid the lines of the first braids that we did. Have you seen, friends, like our hair is stretched without using any heat? So if you are trying to grow out your natural hair, make sure that you avoid using heat, friends. So this is what I've been doing. I avoid heat. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and comment in the section below. So like I'll proceed and style my hair before putting it in a protective hairstyle of twist. I love, just, enjoying my hair. Of course, I'm going to share that video tomorrow. Make sure that you look out for that video tomorrow. So thank you so much. God bless you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.